Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Budget and Savings with B. I'm Vonda Shourn, and on today's episode with B, 10 ways to trick yourself into not spending money. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Let's go. Number 1, buy a Keurig machine so that you can make coffee at home. Look, I know that's not what you wanted me to say. I know that's not what you wanted to hear. But listen, I know that Starbucks has the best customer service because I have been and gotten a breakfast sandwich and they are better than Chick-fil-A. Trust me, I am a sucker for good customer service. I am, I love it. That's one of my favorite things, especially good customer service. But guys, if you go and get a mocha chocolate frappuccino something and it's $4, and let's say you work 5 days a week because Starbucks is on your way to work, so $4 times 5 days, say it with me, $20, and you do that every day for the month. 20, 40, 60, 80 $80 a month. That's not including you want to treat yourself on the weekend or when you get paid, because I deserve it. I work hard, so I'm gonna play harder. Well, did you know that if you did that every day for the year, that is $1,000? 1,000. Mind blowing. So imagine what you could do with an extra $1,000 in your savings. I know I would feel pretty spectacular. I would probably sleep even better at night, knowing that whatever jumps off or the rainy day rains, I am prepared and I at least got 1,000 on it. Number 2. Skip happy hour after work. I know them people at your job get on your first, middle, and last damn nerve. I know it. But we got to skip those things. We just got to do it. Number 3, take out a return of premium on your policy. That's a term life policy. So let me explain to you what that is. You get the insurance, and what you pay into it is what you'll be able to take out of it in case you or your spouse loses their job. So it's kind of like a little savings account. Okay? It's a really good thing. I'm guilty. I was guilty of this one. Stop spending that change just in your little console in your car. You can be putting that in a container in the end of the year or the first of the year. You could turn that in. My dad has, I know for sure, one container, and he fills it up, and every year he has $800 to $1,000 in there just from change. So be more conscious. Oh, my nose. Oh, excuse me. Be more conscious, of your change. So if you have a dollar bill or a 5 or a 20, just throw the change in a jar. You never know when you might have to take that change to Piggly Wiggly or Coin Store and turn that change in for dollar bills, because it's still money. Create a budget spreadsheet. Now, if you say, girl, I am not about to create no budget spreadsheet, I'm not about to do any of that. Okay, if you ain't old school like me, okay, but you can download the Mint app, and the Mint app tracks your income and your spending. Now, I know that does not sound like fun. I know that is not what you want to do, but it will help you. Okay, let's take it off of you for a minute. Okay, let's put it on me. Okay, so for me, this was about 8 to 10 years ago. Okay, So I was just eating out. In my mind, I was just eating out twice a day, but she lying. Most of the time it was 3 times a day, but I didn't think I was spending that much. This was way before the pandemic. Like I said, this was about 10 years ago. And this was when I started to be more conscious of personal finances. So I got my bank statement. This was before I was app savvy. I got my bank statement and I was like, let me just see, you know, how much I've spent. Y'all, I was so mad. Do you know I had spent, I think it was $896? Like, that is crazy. And at that time, I was only making $2,000. So that was my job. I had a little side hustle too, but I was just like floored and baffled, you know, with how much I had spent, because that was almost half of my check on eating out. So after that, I became more health conscious. Girl, she lying. I became more aware of how much I was spending eating out. And so then I started taking and carrying a lunch. She don't spend that kind of money anymore on eating out. Enroll in your employers' 401k program. Like, that is free money. Who does not want free money? I get it, you're in your 20s and you know you got the rest of your life. Life is great, but I'm telling you, take it from me, okay? I was just 20 years ago. I'm gonna say that again. I was just 20 years ago. So I'm saying all that to say that I blinked my eye and now I'm 40. So I'm saying you don't want to miss 20 years of money that you could be having, you know, put towards your retirement. Because now, when I blink, I'm going to be 60. So my point is, it comes very fast. Guys, pay yourself first when you get paid. I know you got these bills and everything, but if you put something to the side, you'll be ready or be able to put something on it when a rainy day comes. I just spoke about this. Pack a lunch from your pantry or your refrigerator. It will save you so much. And now during this recession, these prices have doubled. Like, it is crazy how expensive everything is. So definitely pack a lunch. I'm gonna step on some toes on this one. Quit your bad habits for good, especially now. I know, you know, it may be hard times, rough, but it's a recession. Stuff has gone up, stuff has increased so much, cigarettes, alcohol, and we can replace those bad habits that will keep us in good health, and we not have to spend any additional money by going to the gym. Or if you say, girl, I got no money for a gym membership, go for a while, go to the park. You know, look for free activities to do to get out the house, to be more social. And when you go to the grocery store, clip coupons for stuff you gonna need. Don't you be out here clipping everything on that Piggly Wiggly app or the Kroger's app or the Myers app or the Publix app, and then you don't use all that stuff. Clip the stuff before you go in the store, because you have made yourself a list and you have the list in your hand for when you go in that store, because you are intentional, because you are on a budget. Okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.